Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Jira software integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Jira software integrations, begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the main dashboard of your Jira instance. Locate the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the Apps option in the Settings menu. In the Apps section, select Manage Apps from the drop-down options. You will see a list of all installed integrations and add-ons. Identify the integration you wish to uninstall. Click on the three dots or the More option next to the integration. Select Uninstall from the drop-down list. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Review the information provided and confirm the uninstallation. The process will initiate, and the integration will be removed. Monitor the progress for a successful uninstallation message. If needed, refresh the page to ensure the integration has been completely removed. Now, verify that the integration is no longer listed under the Manage Apps section. If you're using multiple Jira instances, repeat these steps for each instance as needed. Remember, some integrations may require additional steps depending on specific configurations. Keep a record of any settings that may need to be reconfigured in other tools linked to Jira. With these steps completed, you have successfully uninstalled your Jira software integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.